Hi, my name is Taylor Garand, and what we're doing today is the Catalase test on 2 of my sauerkraut brines. So right here I have my 14-day brine, and then I also have my 12-hour brine, properly labeled. I had already cleaned my work area with the 10-to-1 bleach disinfectant. Now I'm going to be making my sterile field with my 3 candles. So I have my 2 blank slides here that are properly labeled for each of my different brines with my date here. And then what I'm going to do first is I'm going to take my 3% H2O2. What I'm going to do is I'm going to be adding about 1 to 2 drops each on each slide. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to do one at a time. First I'm going to do the 12-hour brine. I'm going to take my inoculating loop and I'm going to sterilize it. Sterilize that for about 10 seconds. Now I'm going to let it cool off. Now I'm going to go in. I already shook up my brine. I'm going to add my brine here. I'm going to see if it's going to bubble at all. It is not bubbling. So that is a negative for the 12-hour brine. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to sterilize my loop again. I'm going to let that cool. Now I'm going to take my 14-day brine. And I'm going to get my sample here. I'm going to add that to my hydrogen peroxide. I'm going to let that sit for a minute or so. And I do not see any bubbling for this one either. So that hydrogen peroxide and the 14-day brine also did not bubble, so that would be a negative. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to sterilize my loop. Now that I let this cool, now I can set it down. And that is the end of my brine Catalase test. Thank you.